immediately there is an origin level right here. I can already start to see this origin level right in here, this valley right here. This is an origin level for the future. This is a breakout moment for CMT in the future, right? So this is looking like this is setting up a breakout right now in CMT. I'd actually, oh, I'm on the 1 hour. Let's go to a real candle. Let's go to the 4 hour. And then the 1 hour is a real candle. I shouldn't say that, but let's go to the 4. And actually, let's go to the daily and see if there's something notable in here. And there's a daily right here. This is not an origin level, though. You notice how it's never tested. This is actually going to be rejection, probably an origin level in the future for CMT. So if we do pull back, this will be a breakout point in the future for CMT. There is no, well, so this is the origin level right here, but you need to find at what time frame. You can see that's the origin level for this right here. And right there as well, there's another one right here. So this, I'm assuming, is the hourly. Come on. And this right here will be the 4 hour. This is the important level right here. This is the level origin that makes all the difference in the world. Oops. This is kind of like that same stair stepping through it, right? And we'll kind of mark these out as levels. So very much like Tron. You guys remember how Tron had this origin level, and then even here, I would say here's a bigger daily valley. This is the big valley that's starting to have a gap. So you would walk through this coin and you would say, okay, you have a valley here, you have a valley here. This one's back testing this valley. So let's zoom in here and walk through this, because you guys need to know how to do this too, not just me explaining what origin levels are, right? So you have this 4 hour valley here. You step back. Yes, this is a valley here. It's still tested. So what do you start to say? You start to say, okay, there is a valley here. It did test it to gain. What was this valley that I am currently on? What did that do? That hit the inverse level. So this actually wasn't a valley that was being attacked. This is a valley right here, which attacked this valley right here, which attacked this valley right here. So now you're starting to pinpoint the valley more, right? This was a push up into this range here, which is a valley here. Now you have a level here that actually is the first onset of the ladder. So this is where you see distribution. It comes up, creates this valley right here. This attacks the valley, fails down. This is a breakout level in the future. You have to work from the left side forward and then cross-check backwards to see this, because you'd have one here and then you would say, okay, well, where's the next one? Well, here's a valley here. But was this really a valley? Yes and no. It is, but the bigger one is right here. This is the big breakout moment. You are still going to get stopped here in this. If you come up, attack this, you're still going to short from 595 to 625 like this. You're still going to have this short right here. Come on. Like this. You're still going to have this 5% short. So this doesn't become an important breakout level in the future. Okay, let's take that off. But you do have kind of this stepping through that is, and even on the local time sense right here, you have one. And this is getting a little too local, right? Valley, attempt to break the valley, create the final trend, try to break over that final trend in valley, confirm that valley, attack the higher level origin right here. So same exact move we've been looking at on every coin. It's just like the exact same thing over and over and over and over. It's a level origin being hit that's launching into another level origin that's launching into another one, right? So you'd actually go back to the daily on this and you would look at what is the level origin in this, and you can see it. It's right there. You can see very clearly. You can see, take that away. Yeah, you can take that away. You can see the two level origins right there very clearly. You can see one right here, which acts as the bigger breakout for CMT. And you can see one right here, which acts as the smaller piece to that, right? Which is now going to back attack this level origin right here, right? So this is the level that's going to be attacked. And this could possibly be an inverse here, a short inverse right here as well. Let's look at something that already has moved and not something that is about to move. So we can also show, what would be a good one? Let's look at some stable coins or catch up on Bitcoin. That's a good one. I always do XBT, BTC. Oh boy. I should probably not use my Bitcoin chart because it's pretty, yeah, we're never going to see level origins on this. Okay, so let's go BTC Tether, USDT. I already have a level origin marked here. See? So first and foremost, weekly valley, level origin. One line, it's all you need. One line to show the breakout. The level origin, it's not just a normal everyday weekly valley, it's a level origin. That's why it has such a big move. You know, compared to something like, I don't know, this weekly valley right here. Sure, this is a big move too, but look what started it. It was a level origin that started the move, right? It's not just some weekly break because you broke a weekly here, but nothing happened, right? You started to break a weekly here, nothing really happened, right? Just kind of fell down, right? And you go to the monthly, right? You don't really have anything there. You just have a monthly valley right here. So you just first attack the monthly valley. But if you look at Bitcoin, just simply draw your first level origin, and this acts as, you know, the biggest break of them all, right? Like forget all the altcoins, look at Bitcoin. This is the biggest break of them all. There's your level origin right there. Okay, let's go to Venn. I don't think I have a chart on Venn in a long time. Well, you can already see the level origin right here. You don't even need to do anything on this chart. Just mark it right there. See, have a break over top of it, and it tries to hold it. Well, there's rainbow there. Let's delete this. Simply to show on Venn, this is actually very quick to see. This is very, you can immediately tell right here, there's a level origin right there. You can immediately see the valley that was failed to close and how it will struggle with this until it can get out of this cycle. And when it breaks, it's going to try to set up a bigger move. Now it's created another level origin. I'm assuming against what? Against this daily? No. It actually didn't create an origin level. This is all gained down here. That's already gained. You can see the importance of that level there. This is the breakout for Venn in the future, 152. When it starts to close above 152, this is gone. This is absolutely gone. This will target a weekly trend. This will target this weekly up here at 208. So this is going to be absolutely gone to 208 here when it passes 152. For sure, no doubt in my mind. Where's the next one right now that we're trying to break? It's right here, possibly right here. It attack that valley, this valley right here. And then there's going to be, so this would be the 4. This is the attacked valley that's failed to gain. This is an origin level right here. On the 4 hour, we're going to go here, make that thicker. Where's the next one? Got another one right there, fine. Yep, it's just that 111 level. That's the big breakout for Venn. 111 is the breakout, and you can see the valley there, right? You can see it. I don't think this thing is even holding trend, but maybe it is. Yeah, it just broke trend yesterday, which is fine. It's not a big deal. Let's go to Neo. Neo's a good one to look at. I haven't looked at Neo in a dog's age. See, I already have the origin level marked out on it. Origin level, origin level. It's you know, this is what I'm marking on my charts when I mark these levels from the past, right? Like right here, I guess I have, I don't, what is this, a daily that I have marked out? No, it's not a daily. There's the valley, there's the origin right there. There's the valley, there's the origin right there. You see how it's wedging up against the origin level? Come on. Distribution to distribution candle. Come on. Go to the 4. Valley that was attempted to gain and never could. Attempted to gain and never could.
Hey everyone, how's it going? As you know, I'm now giving out some of this content for free that I was otherwise charging for the past little while. Yeah, drop a donation, subscribe to the channel, join Patreon. You'll get access to Discord. Great way. Lots of top level traders in there, people who are doing this for a career every single day. So go to Patreon, join a tier, get access to Discord. Go on Reddit, talk about future of trading, talk about the science of trading, talk about cotton candy, socials, everything you can. Let's help this thing grow. It's the way you guys can thank me for giving out this content for free that I was otherwise charging money for. So I'll leave a Bitcoin address on the screen. I'll leave the Patreon address on the screen. Just do something to help out. Okay, thanks guys. Take care.